Hey my DIYers, we are back at it again with another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. Hi guys. Yeah, getting into this. I want to do it. I was debating whether to do a retwist or this hairstyle, and I'm like, you know what, I'm doing this. And then I'll get a retwist, okay? So today we are doing the viral boho bob braid. This is the extra curly, extra full afro. No, I've been seeing it all over my timeline and I had to try it. Like, it was a must. So you know we gotta do a little lock check. And honestly, I think this is gonna be the length that I'm just sticking with because yeah, I just keep trimming it. I don't like it past my neck and it's just a preference. Don't come for me. Okay? I did not record the back, but here is how it's looking. Yes, I know the parts are not straight. We're not looking for perfection back there, so it's all good. So I am cutting the hair off, combing out any excess hair, and then adding the lock and twist on the end, just so when I do install it into the braid, it's easier. And I'm putting some lock and twist on my lock, and we are going in with the braid. So I am wrapping it around, and then after I took some hair and wrapped it around my lock for the coverage, and then adding in the water wave curl. And for each braid, I added in about 4 to 5 of the water wave curl to give that extra full look, and yeah, it definitely did the job. And I did end up using the whole entire pack of the water wave, so yeah, it was nice and full and heavy. Okay, then I took a little piece of the hair and wrapping it around, and then I'm just using some nail glue that I got from Shein. A pack of 20, it was about $3. And then I'm just cutting off the excess hair, and there you go. Got 4 here, super secure. So after a couple of days, I just put it up like this. I know it looks crazy, but I just did it like a little bun, because yeah, this was the most tedious hairstyle, as you can see on my face. This was the most tedious hairstyle I've done over my locks, but so freaking cute. I'm so happy. This is my last braid. just gonna wrap it up and add some nail glue. I ended up using 2 bottles. For all the products that I used in this video, the link will be in the bio. Snip, snip, and last one. So happy, thank God. This is the result before curling, so you can see the fullness of it. Like, it's so heavy, so full, but I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. It's so cute. I'm using my pink perm rods to curl the ends. Some of them were really thick, so I had to like go in again and recurl it. Boom! End results. Super cute, super full, very heavy, very heavy. Just letting you ladies know, this is very heavy if you decide to install it, but cute. I would not recommend leaving it in that long just because it's over your locks. Yes, feeling myself. Had to take the camera and like just do a little zoom in, and then I ended up cutting it and shaping it to my face, and yeah, that definitely did it. That did it. That sealed the deal for me. Like, I was like, ooh. If you end up trying it, let me know what you ladies think, and let me know. Thank you again so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe button. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.